This is the brand new Always On Radiant Skin Tint by Beauty Blender. This time dropping a new skin tint formula with 20 new shades, leaving the skin hydrated with light to medium buildable coverage while leaving a natural radiant finish on the skin. And today, we're going to be playing with it. Let's see how this applies, how it blends, how it color matches, and as always, let's give this product a score. Alright guys, let's get into it. I'm going to be using these products right here, my MAC palette for placing the product onto. I'm going to go in and do one side of my face with the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to go in and do the other half with a foundation brush. Any foundation brush will do. I'm just happening to be using this one right here from Juvia's Place because I really do love their brushes, but any foundation brush that you have will work for this. I'm just going to go in and do one side for you and do the other side so you guys can see the difference. So I picked up shade Light 2. That is one pump. Let's go in with the Beauty Blender to start. I'm just going to dip that into the foundation. I'm going to just start by patting that on to my face. So far, I do believe this is a really great color match. It is really light. There is no smell to this, none whatsoever, so I love that about the product. This spreads really nice, and it's got a good amount of coverage to it. I'm kind of impressed, actually. So I'm just gonna go in and go under my eye, tapping that out. For a skin tint, I actually thought it would be a little bit lighter. Disappointed that there is unfortunately no SPF in this product, but that's okay. I already gone in when I moisturized and primed my face with my Vichy SPF. I am loving that coverage. Wow, that is so good. This is radiant. It's doing what it says. You guys can see the difference between this side right here that has no product on it whatsoever, just my moisturizer and primer. But this is just gorgeous. I can't believe it. All right, I'm gonna go in, do the other side with my foundation brush, just picking up some of that product. I haven't actually put any more on the palette. I wanna see how far I can get with this. I'm just going to go in with just some light tapping motions to start, just to evenly apply that product to my face. And then I'm just gonna go in and swirl that around and buff that in. Okay, so far applying this with the brush, I do feel like I am getting a little bit of a lighter coverage than with the sponge. The Beauty Blender, honestly, I thought would give a lighter coverage, but the brush is actually giving me a lighter coverage. Again, this product has 20 shades, so it has a really good inclusive range. Everyone should be able to find their shade. And again, it's light, it's airy, it's breathable, it's not heavy. It's really, really, really pretty. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is such a pretty finish, right? So good. I feel like I could just walk out of the house like this. Like, I don't need to powder it, I don't need to add concealer. I can, but this is just gorgeous. Now, this does say it's buildable, so I am gonna go in. I'm going to put a little bit more on my palette. I'm just gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. I'm going to just tap that on under my eyes because I am curious to see how this builds. This is creasing on my lid, just a little bit. Most foundation does. Until you go in and set it with powder. I can tell the difference right away. It does build up beautifully, but it's giving me that natural, angelic-like glow. This is very, very radiant. I do love it. It is matte, but it is radiant matte. Like, how do I explain that? It's just beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. Like, you're getting that matte finish that you're looking for, but with radiance. Like, it's not matte, it's radiant, but you have that matte looking skin. It's just like an incredible, amazing formula. I'm gonna go in and on one side of my face, I'm going to apply some different products, some cream products, because I wanna see how this foundation works with cream products. I wanna see how it blends. I just wanna see how this whole thing holds together. I'm gonna take this one right here. This is the color Light. This is the Makeup by Mario contouring stick. I'm just going to apply this like I normally would to contour my face. I'm just gonna take that exact same brush and just blend that out. So far, holy smokes, that is phenomenal. You see that blend? That is amazing. All right, I'm gonna go in, just blend right here. Now, if you guys are curious, now I am super fair, and the colors I do use is the light, medium, and the color light when I am contouring my face with those contour sticks. I do have a video on that, and I will link it in the description for you guys in case you are curious. All right, that foundation blends so good, so good, loving it. I am gonna go in next with some cream blush. So this one right here is the cream blush by Morphe, and this is the color Sweet. This is honestly my favorite cream blush that I have used all summer. I'm just gonna go in, apply some of that cream blush right there. Okay, it's not picking up at all, and I love that. It's not patchy, it's blending out amazing. I honestly thought by applying some of these cream products to my face on top of this foundation, it might pick up, but no, nothing. It is just dreamy. Like, the formula is gorgeous. Totally obsessed. Let's go in and apply some Merit. I'm just gonna go in and apply some highlighter right there on the high points of my cheeks. Just gonna take that brush, just blend that out just a little bit. Oh my gosh, like, this is an amazing foundation, like, just amazing. All right guys, you know what? It's time to score this product. Starting with application. I'm absolutely loving how this is sitting on my skin. It is not going in my creases right here or under my eyes. It's not really folding that much in my eyelids. This applied beautifully. It blended beautifully with the other cream products. It didn't pick up. Loving this. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Up next, pigment. There are 20 colors in the shade range. It is transparent, but easily buildable into a medium to full coverage. If you wanted to take it there, you could easily do that. I have no concealer on. The pigment is absolutely gorgeous. This blended out amazingly with my cream products. I had absolutely no pilling or, picking up. This is fantastic. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. And finally, value. This is $38 Canadian. It has an 18-month shelf life. You get 30 milliliters in the bottle. I feel like it's very comparative to the others like the NARS or the Fenty. Super loving this one. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. Bringing us to a final score of 28 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it? Hands down, run out and get this. This is amazing. I am obsessed. I'm loving the formula. It blended out so damn good. Loving it. If you love videos like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys.